What? No,
What
no.
is your sense of time in the past few months?
It's slow.
Sense of time. Uh, okay, I'm gonna try to respond. It could be a little bit meandering, uh, but I hope I end up making at least some sense. Um, so I have been listening to like these ghazals recently, and at times in the ghazal, like they repeat one word various times, you know, and it has this with a little bit of variation, and it has this really hypnotic effect because you lose sense of how long you've been listening to something. You're just sort of plucked out of, in some ways plucked out of the experiencing of time. It becomes like a glitch. um, I think it feels something like that, uh, where even though there are slight variations, the I think it's the sort of repetition is more in the space, time somehow still feels like a thread that you're holding on to, but everything seems to be happening in the same space. Like all the experiences, some very intense and some very forgettable, a lot very forgettable, but it's all been happening in the same space. So in a way it feels like, like this these that space has sort of imprisoned time in a very small container. And like I keep feeling like the world is kind of empty, because you don't meet new people, you don't have that many new experiences. um so it how does time feel in an empty world? Almost, you really have to you really have to hold yourself back from falling over a precipice of extreme hopelessness. um yeah. That's it. I hope i hope this you I mean you can use this.
Is it the same as it used to be?
No, it's slower.
So it's when you say it's shifted, it's become slower. Would you say the sense of time has shifted?
Also, there's no more future.
Wow,
Yeah. Okay,
that's
stop
strong.
recording.
मुझे क्या लगता है कि क्योंकि अपन लोगों का जो फील्ड ऑफ आर्टिस्टिक परसुएशन है वो ऐसा है कि उसमें वैसे भी टाइम का सेंस एक नहीं है, खो ही जाता है, जो कि मुझे वैसे भी अच्छी चीज़ लगने लग गई है कि टाइम जो है वो मतलब नॉट टू बी हिप्पी अबाउट इट, पर वैसे भी पिछले 4-5 साल में एटलीस्ट जब से थोड़ा मैं सीरियसली परसू किया है राइटिंग और ये फिल्म मेकिंग, तो मुझे लगता है कि कोई वैल्यू है भी नहीं टाइम की मेरी नज़रों में। मतलब आई होप कि ना रहे, इन दैट सेंस कि एक यूनिटी है मेजर करने का स्पेस एक्सपेंशन, बस मतलब उस सेंस में अगर देखा जाए तो। बट दूसरे सेंस में नॉट कि लास्ट ईयर, बट मेरे एक थोड़ा सा इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है, बट टाइम दूसरे तरीके से कि वैल्यूबल हो गया है। और अगेन उसका पेंडेमिक ने प्रॉब्ली उसको थोड़ा इंटेंसिफाई कर दिया इस नोशन को। बट नोशन को इसको थोड़ा शायद इंटेंसिफाई कर दिया, बट है वही कि अभी थोड़ा ऑनेस्ट मतलब प्राइस रखने वाली जग चीज़ हो गई है टाइम पे कि मैं ऐसे खर्च करना नहीं चाहता। अगर बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा शेयर करना टाइम या कुछ भी। और बट एक चीज़ जो है जो वाकई में जो है वो ये है कि मैं किसी ना किसी ऐसे चाहने वालों के साथ ही खर्च करना चाहता हूँ, बहुत ऑनेस्ट। थोड़ा रिलेशनशिप और दोस्तों के साथ ही बस, जो कि कम है, तो इसलिए मोस्टली अकेला ही रहता है। बट जो कि मुझे पसंद भी है, कि मुझे लगता है थोड़ा उसमें क्वालिटी ऑफ मतलब टाइम हाई है। और एक चीज़ ये है कि हाँ, आगे से मेरा जो है कि या तो अकेला टाइम बिताओ तो बहुत ही अच्छी रिलेशनशिप में, जो कि फिर छोड़ो नहीं, मतलब इन द सेंस जो भी है, दोस्ती है कि आशिकी है, वैसी वाली बात है। जैसे मैं आज ही एक चीज़ पढ़ रहा था, एक वही जो हिचकॉक ट्रूफा वाला एक इंटरव्यू बुक है, तो उसमें एक जगह पे वो लोग बात कर रहे होते हैं, तो वो ऐसे लवर्स के सेपरेट होने वाली बात हो रही, तो हिचकॉक बोल रहा होता है कि एक बार वो फ्रांस में जा रहा था, और वो देख रहा था कि यंग कपल खड़ा होता है, बहुत जो लड़का होता है वो ऐसे पी कर रहा होता है दीवार के अगेंस्ट, और लड़की ने उसका हाथ पकड़ रखा होता है, और लड़की बहुत कैजुअली इधर उधर देख रही होती, दुनिया देख रही होती, बीच में लड़के को देख रही होती कि अच्छा ये भी क्या कर रहा है, अभी कर रहा है, पर वो पूरे टाइम हाथ ही पकड़े खड़ी थी उसके। तो फिर वो बोलता है कि वो मुझे ऐसे लगा ट्रू लव है। तो ट्रू ट्रूफा का रिस्पॉन्स बड़ा अच्छा था, वो कहता है हाँ, मतलब आइडियली ट्रू लवर्स टू लवर्स शुड नेवर सेपरेट। तो ये कहीं ना कहीं ये हाँ एक नोशन है जो टाइम का मेरे दिमाग में भी आ गया है, कि जो चीज़ ट्रू आइडिया है उनको नहीं छोड़ना, टाइम की वैल्यू भी उन्हीं की वजह से आती है। तो अगर आगे से ये है कि हाँ, मैं जो भी पकड़ूंगा वो छोड़ूंगा नहीं, और वही वैल्यू थोड़ी सी, मतलब वो चीज़ टाइम को वैल्यू देगी, ना कि मतलब एज या अचीवमेंट या वो, जो कि होना भी नहीं चाहिए, बट डीप डाउन होता है दिल में। पर मेरा मतलब मेन फाइट वही है कि मतलब इन फिजिकल एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ लाइफ को भूल जाऊं, एज और फिजिकल एट्रीब्यूट और ये सब चीज़ें, और मेजर उन चीज़ों से ज़्यादा हो, मतलब सिंसियर चीज़ों से, चाहे काम में हो कि रिलेशनशिप में हो।
What
Hey,
makes you think that? What makes you? Is there some experience or something that makes you think that? I mean, what makes you think it's slower?
I don't know. You asked me about my experience. That I experience it as slower. That's all. Enough.
Yeah, hello. So, how do you think your sense of do you think your sense of time has shifted in the past few months?
You mean with reference to pandemic?
Yeah.
As a retired person, I definitely had more time uh, because of pandemic, and it gave me a real opportunity to pursue my hobbies more enthusiastically. For example, if I were to play once or twice uh, golf, play golf once or twice a week. So during pandemic, since I had all the time, I used to play almost to 6 to 7 days a week. So that was keeping myself occupied, also feeling good, physical exercise, and also interacting with friends, and also enjoying myself while taking COVID precautions. Similarly, one had a lot of time after coming after the game to relax, recoup, or read or watch TV. And to that extent, even with this WhatsApp, chatting with the friends group or your schoolmates or your earlier colleagues groups, and also with your near dear extended family, and watching even some of very good videos on YouTube, be it about yoga or about the chants and Vedic chants or religious mantras. So that way one could, without any, uh, uh, without what do you say, urge to rush for to do something else, other work. So one could devote enough time at will. But the only restriction had been because both my children are of working age, and they're working and pursuing their careers. So this pandemic has put restriction of movement. Neither we could visit them nor they could visit us. Uh, One was feeling bad, and also connected with this is my aged mother who was in my ancestral village. So due to restriction of movement, I could not visit as and when she wanted, though I had gone for various mandated ceremonies. But wish I could have spent more time with her had there not been this movement restrictions. But notwithstanding all this, but it has given a lot of time for oneself, to reflect on one's own doings, either in job or interpersonal relations, or with siblings, or with children and friends, and one could have real introspection.
What is? Do you think there is a change in the quality of introspection because of the time you have now?
Yeah, that has got a lot of angles. Whether it is, one could look back how on one's own behavior, though unintentional, whether it is with the spouse or with children or with parents, because due to lack of time, or you have your time is pressing, you have to do some other work, and is to maybe once in a while lose temper, not explaining things. So which felt in retrospect was unnecessary, because even then by answering, being more patient with them would have really mattered. So this has given, this additional time one could reflect, yes, those were wrong. One could have been more patient and also more easygoing rather than, trying to meet the deadline, by minute and hour.
Wow, that's nice. Yeah. So, yeah, thank you.
My sense of time in the past few months hasn't shifted at all. So there's morning, there's afternoon, there's evening happening as always. Perhaps I just have the thought that it's a little bit tiring one day after another.